single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello people, we arrived at the bunker for you.
Hey.
In the middle of nowhere. We have been driving a long time to find it, but we finally did. It's an Arabic bunker. Hope you enjoyed it. And there's also some drone shots in this video. And I would say, let's have a look. See you over there. Wow, so very cold here today. It's been freezing. Look, there's Martine over there and the bunker. It's an Arabic bunker. And there's an arch in here that looks Arabic. So I hope you can see this. Try to focus inside, yes. See guys? There's an arch with Arabic text above, and yeah, sadly enough this bunker is closed, but that's to preserve it, because I think they don't want to see this one be yeah, demolished. So actually they slept in here,
And they had electricity inside.
also electricity.
Yes.
Watch out, there's a cow.
This was a luxury bunker.
There's lots of cow droppings here, so just watch out, okay?
Yeah.
Woo. A luxurious bunker.
Luxurious bunker, yeah.
Let's walk around. I hope these slabs are strong. I'm not falling down. Okay. So yeah, that's the back of it. There's a strong wind actually, yeah. Very strong wind.
And it's very cold also.
Yeah, it's winter.
Winter time.
There's a lot of snow been here before, but look, there's still some snow down there.
Yeah.
But
It's still visible.
yeah. Let's have a walk around it. Ooh. Then I can take it closer up. So there's Martine.
Hi. Come to the other side.
It's too bad we can't go in, but it's a very nice one.
Well maintained.
Yeah. There will also be drone shots people from it, so I would say enjoy that too. And the area is also very nice.
Yeah.
It looks very, yeah, very good here. gone in the car.
Yeah.
I can talk almost from the wind blowing inside my mouth. What? Oh. I hope people can hear us. I'm gone inside the car. You can go also inside. And then we talk a little further in there to say goodbye. What? Ooh la la. Yes. The door is also going closed on me. Damn. Oh. Yes. I'm gonna change the camera. Oh la la. It's cold outside, huh?
Very cold.
Oh look, here we are. Well, people, you have seen the bunker.
Yeah.
Very short because it's really bad weather.
Yeah.
It's freezing, it's cold, and it's been snowing also. Now the snow is gone.
Yeah.
But yesterday it was all white, and that's Belgium. It changes like nothing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm out of breath because of the wind was blowing inside my mouth. And I enjoy this. And also, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye. And say bye bye.